Today we are tackling a simple yet super handy power query trick, grouping every 5 rows of a table and summing up their quantities. It's a neat way to reduce your dataset and create summaries. Let's get started. There are many ways to approach this, but here is my favorite. It's efficient and avoids extra steps. First, we'll create a column to group rows. Instead of using an index column right away, we'll use the table position of function for a more streamlined approach. Let me show you how. We need to generate group numbers to define which rows belong together. Here's how we'll do it. We'll divide the value by 5. Next, round it down to the nearest whole number using number round down function. And also add +1. This will shift the group numbers to start from 1 instead of 0. And there it is, a clean column showing which group each row belongs to. Now comes the magic, grouping and summing the data. Just select Group By. In the Group By window, group by the custom column you just created, and add an operation to sum up the quantity column for each group. And just like that, your data is grouped and the totals are calculated for every 5 rows. This approach is flexible and efficient. Need to group every 10 rows? Just divide by 10 instead of 5 in the formula. Want a different starting index? Adjust it when creating the custom column. It's also great for tidying up large datasets or creating summaries for reporting. If this was helpful, give it a try and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.